I feel stuck. My head feels so heavy. My thoughts are spinning like 1,000 tabs open in my brain. Too many messages, too many plans, too many voices. I scroll, I reply, I read, but I don't feel. I breathe, but it's shallow. I wake up tired, I work all day, and I go to bed even more tired. I'm living, but I'm not alive.
Morning, sis. Wow, you look, not okay.
Thanks, Ethan. That's exactly what every exhausted person wants to hear.
No, really. You look stressed. What's going on?
I don't even know. I just feel tired. Tired of screens, tired of people, tired of trying to keep up with everything.
Then stop. Just take a break.
A break? I don't even have time for a break, Ethan.
That's exactly why you need one. Come on, get up. We're going outside. You need fresh air.
No, Ethan, I can't. I have work, emails, messages, and a long to-do list.
Then let your plans wait. You are more important than your schedule. Seriously, Emma. I mean, Chloe, get dressed. We're going somewhere.
Where?
Somewhere your phone can't find you. A nature trip. No excuses.
You're impossible.
Maybe. But right now, you look like a wilted plant.
Wow. Thank you again for that poetic compliment.
Hey, I'm helping. Plants need sunlight and water. You need sunlight, air, and coffee.
Okay, fine. Coffee first. But after that?
After that, we escape. Fresh air, trees, birds, blue sky. You still remember what those look like, right?
I'm not sure anymore.
Then, let's remind you.
The air is cold, but it feels good. My lungs almost forgot what real air feels like.
Step 1, breathe. Step 2, don't overthink it. Just be here.
All right, I'll try. Wow, the city feels so loud today.
It's always been loud. You're just finally hearing it.
And now, as we drive out, the air looks clear. The noise fades. I can actually see the horizon again.
That's because we're leaving your stress behind.
I really hope so. This, this looks beautiful.
We just started. Wait until you see the lake.
I forgot this feeling. Space, green, silence, birds, sunlight, and maybe bugs.
Don't start. Come on, we're here.
The air smells different here. Fresh, clean, almost sweet.
Ready?
Yes, let's walk.
Listen to that sound, the soft crunch of leaves under your feet. Nature ASMR, free version.
You're funny. But you're right. I'm actually smiling again.
That's progress. Listen, the birds, you don't hear them in the city, do you?
No, because cars scream louder than birds. But here, everything feels slower, calmer, like the world is breathing with me.
That's the point of today. Slow down. Feel. Just be.
Oh, water! Look at it. It's so clear. You can see the stones beneath the surface. It's peaceful, like a song for my tired brain.
Let nature fix it. One breath at a time.
It feels strange. I'm not checking my phone. I'm not rushing. I'm not planning. I'm just walking.
Exactly. No schedule. No pressure. Just us and the trees.
The sunlight is warm on my face. The wind is cool. Perfect balance, warm and cold, light and shade, busy and still. It's like life is teaching me again.
Look at you, turning into a philosopher already.
Maybe nature is the best teacher.
Maybe. Or maybe you just needed to listen again.
My legs are tired, but I don't mind. For the first time in weeks, I feel alive, like my heart is waking up after a long sleep.
That's because it was sleeping, under emails, notifications, and deadlines.
You're not wrong. Oh, wow! This place, it's breathtaking.
I found it last month. I knew you'd love it. Doesn't it look like a green ocean?
A quiet ocean. No traffic. No noise. No stress. I can breathe here. Really breathe.
That's exactly what I wanted for you. Fresh space for your mind.
Thank you, Ethan, for dragging me out of the house.
My pleasure. Dragging is my special skill.
I can tell. But seriously, thank you. The water is still, but it's alive. I can see ripples move like soft thoughts. It feels like time has stopped.
Sit. Watch. Feel. That's all you need to do.
You know, in the city, I'm always trying to control everything. My work, my time, my plans. But here, I feel small in a good way.
That's what nature reminds us. Life is bigger than your stress.
Yes, bigger than my inbox, bigger than my worries.
Exactly.
I like this. I really, really like this.
Then remember it. When life gets loud again, come back to the trees, the water, the sky.
I will. Let's stay until sunset.
Good. You'll love it. Sunset here is magic.
The light turns golden, soft, and warm. It feels perfect.
Quiet. Peaceful. Just you and the world. You're thinking again. Say it.
I'm tired, Ethan. Really tired. I feel like I've been running all my life, running to be good, to be perfect, to make everyone happy.
Then stop running.
It's not that easy. I have work, goals, people counting on me. If I stop, I fall behind. If I rest, I feel guilty. If I slow down, I feel weak.
You've been strong for too long. Maybe strength now means stopping.
I'm tired of pretending I'm okay, tired of smiling when I don't want to smile, tired of being strong every single day.
Then don't fake it. It's okay to feel lost. It means you're human.
I feel like I'm here, but not really living.
You care too much about being enough for everyone, but you never ask yourself what you want. You already do enough. You already are enough. You give the work. You stand up again every day. That's strength, not weakness.
Then why do I feel so empty?
Because you never stop to breathe. You run, but you don't live. You push, but you don't rest. You exist, but you don't feel. Look around. The world is wide. Your stress is small. Life is more than goals, screens, and endless pressure. You deserve peace. You deserve slow days. You deserve to rest without guilt.
I want peace, Ethan. I really want peace.
Then start with today. One breath, one quiet moment at a time.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Anytime. When your mind goes wild again, call me. I'll drag you out here all over again.
I know you will.
Remember this moment, the colors, the light, the wind, the calm. This peace is real. Hold it close.
I will. I feel lighter now, like something inside me finally let go.
Good. Don't pick up the old weight again.
I'll try. Today, I didn't escape life. I came back to it. Thank you for walking with us today. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, where do you go to find pace? Until next time, stay calm, stay kind, and take gentle care of yourself. See you soon.